Wow. Alright, bro, we're live. Good morning. Sac passé.
What's going on, guys? My name's Alan.
And I'm Alex.
Welcome to Amicy channel.
Guys, remind me when we're done with this next video to plug my phone in. Guys, listen, if you're not part of the Amicy gang, click on that subscribe button below and join us and be part of the squad.
Oh, God.
So today we got a guest on the Amicy podcast.
Welcome.
We have Shahyn or Shahyn, Sout, Baga. Let's go to the best guys hop in this video. Let's get popping.
Let's get it.
It's cats. Oh, everything's going backwards.
Verse.
What if that's how you actually played musical chair? What's backwards?
That'd be 10 times harder.
On the right? You're like...
Ankles would be broken. I love how it's like in the background coming up.
سيبوني عايزين مني ايه ما بقاش عندي الا ازعل عليه وانا الشيء ايه طاجن ستي ليه يا عالم هنموت امتى وفين لو وجودي معصبكم لو يعني بقربكم انتوا في حالي مش حالكم الفلكوا سجارة صبحكم نمت صحيت لقيتها ولعة وانا اصلا جاي العب حتى صوت بجع وعندي صاحب مش جدع لما يعدي 100 سنة لو عملت فلوس جبل برضو لوحدي هتدفن مش هيفرق مين انا رحت دبي وسبتها والوظيفة سبتها والبنت دي كمان سبتها مع اني كنت بحبها ابويا مات بس انا مفيش مكان للمسكن لسه الحديد بيتنا مهما ظهري بيتحنى هنا مفيش مرتب هنا النوم في الخلق هنا العظم ده استوى هنا الدنيا فهلوة هنا غرز غير قابلة للالتئام فمفيش اي شيء هنا مثير للاهتمام كله تقضية واجب مفيش ملذات هنا الحق بيتقال هنا مفيش مجاملات صاحب انا ماليش خلق.
So we don't have the lyrics for this one, guys, which is very frustrating. But it's like so of course my brain starts creating its own version because we don't have the lyrics, guys. And I'm going off of what I'm kind of seeing in the visuals and stuff like that. And it's I don't know, I just find it fascinating that like even though he's not physically present, he is present in some sort of fashion. Like you said, him carrying the TV, and they were doing the musical chair or running around him.
Yeah,
but it's kind of like it's like he's there, but he's not there at the same time. You see him doing the musical chair, but at the same time, like you see the TV or he's facing there, as if kind of like the world's revolving. He's seeing everybody move around him, but he feels like he's not going anywhere, or his voice is not being heard, or he's just there. You get what I'm saying? Be a symbol like of like being I don't know, in an environment or in an area where like you just don't like, even though people can see you're clearly there, you're mentally not there. It's just a figment of that version of you. That's what I'm getting from that.
Okay.
فطص فيكوا في الكل واللي يصدق ده تهل هسيبكوا انا واروح ارول هنا كله طبيعي ناس تروح وناس تيجي وانا ماشي في طريقي ما حدش فيكوا زميلي فسبوني عايزين مني ايه ما بقاش عندي الا ازعل عليه وانا الشيء ايه طاجن ستي ليه يا عالم هنموت امتى وفين سيبوني عايزين مني ايه ما بقاش عندي الا ازعل عليه وانا الشيء ايه طاجن ستي ليه يا عالم هنموت امتى وفين عندي قلب وما بديش حب عواطفي ماتت النهارده الصبح لا ده مش قبح بكح مستبيع طاقة سلبية كافية جبت الجبال في آسيا بس رجلي هنا في مية دافية دي فانتازيا ابقوا احضروا عصايا بألوان زاهية اصل عادي كلنا أرواح ماشية الملك فينا والحاشية عارف إني مختلف وطول عمرهم بيضحكوا عليا ما احنا بنخاف من الاختلاف فكلهم زي بعض مفيش هوية مفيش حرج في الآخر كلنا بنخرج نفس القذارة من فتحة الشرج آسف بجد أنا آسف على القرف بس ذهني مش صافي نجم مضل نوري طافي برشكوا بما يزال مطافي أنا ماسك أحد أطرافي فسبوني عايزين مني إيه ما بقاش عندي الا ازعل عليه وانا الشيء ايه طاجن ستي ليه يا عالم هنموت امتى وفين سيبوني عايزين مني ايه ما بقاش عندي الا ازعل عليه وانا الشيء ايه طاجن ستي ليه يا عالم هنموت امتى وفين
Yeah, guys, that was Shahyn Subaga. Let me know in the comments what you guys kind of what was you guys' thoughts on what I said and if how it correlated to potentially what I said.
But I feel like, okay, if we go with what you said, with like he's not there but he's there, right?
Yes.
So it could be that like his music is still like relevant to the time.
Okay.
Or the people that's around him. Because you saw they were dancing and they were all grooving, but they were going in reverse. So it was like showing you how they got to
how
that.
his music impacted everybody that got just to come across from it. Oh, that's interesting. I like that. Yeah.
So
okay.
Let us know if we were
Let us know, guys. Listen, if you're not part of the AAMICY gang, click on that subscribe button below and join us and be part of the squad, guys. And at all times, don't cheat yourself,
love thyself,
and keep it AAMICY. Peace. Bye bye.
I